It's much better than salpicão. When I make it at home, nothing's left. Let's start by adding 250 g of fusilli pasta to a pot. Once al dente, drain and transfer to a bowl. Add some shredded chicken and mozzarella. Then add some ham, a can of corn, a sachet of olives, some raisins to taste, a bit of fried garlic, and some chopped chives. Now, let's mix it all well. Next, add 200 g of mayo. I'm using smoked bacon flavor, but use your favorite. Mix everything thoroughly. After a light mix, add salt to taste. For a creamier pasta salad, here's a tip. Add some cream. I used about half a box. Mix again. That's it. Our pasta salad is ready. Look how amazing, delicious, quick, and easy it is. Make it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. Hope you enjoyed this recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hug. See you next time.